Hey y'all, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today we're going to be sharing a creative method to enhance your spring wreath using tulips and our garden boxwood. With this method, you can transform your garden boxwood wreath by adding tulips for a fresh and distinctive seasonal look and a really pretty spring loop bow. Now for the month of February, you can get the wreath on sale for $32 where it was $57.95. Select some tulips in the preferred color. We have yellow, purple, and pink, and fasten them securely to your wreath base using a zip tie. And then you'll conceal that zip tie with a bow, so don't even worry about that. Don't be afraid to play with your wreath and tweak it the way you want it. Lorie is bending the stems here so that she can get her flowers to hang just like she wants it. There's no wrong way to do this, so just play with it and do what you like. Now that we have that nice and secure, we're going to go in and make a loop bow. Now you can follow Lorie's tutorials that she has here on YouTube and on TikTok to make this specific bow. This is called a loop bow, and it is actually one of my favorite bows to put on our garden boxwood wreaths. To start the bow, Lorie's going to start with a 2.5-inch ribbon. This ribbon is a watercolor flower ribbon, and it comes in 3 colors and has 10 yards on each roll. You can find this at tmigifts.com for $7.95. So be sure to follow these easy steps to create this loop bow. Lorie seriously makes this loop bow look so effortless. I follow her tutorials all the time for this specific bow, and I love it. So what she did here was she's cut her tail, she's left it at a dovetail. She's going to dovetail probably all of her ribbons, and then she's going to go in with a 1.5-inch lavender crystal shine ribbon. Now this ribbon comes in several different colors. It is one of our most popular ribbons this year in 2024. It is $5.95 and it has 10 yards on it. And guess what? We're using the yellow in that same size. So we're going in with a yellow crystal shine ribbon for $5.95. Again, we have these in a 2.5-inch and 1.5-inch rolls, all with 10 yards on them. You can find them at www.tmigifts.com. And be sure to check out our free shipping code, SHIP24, for free shipping when you spend $50 or more. So what she's doing here is she's going ahead and securing that loop bow with a zip tie and slipping another zip tie behind it so that she can secure that nicely to the wreath. Then the last step is to attach this to your wreath in the desired place and cut off the extra ends of those zip ties, and then you have the most beautiful spring or summer wreath for your front door this year. You can shop all these supplies at www.tmigifts.com, and we thank you so much for watching. We'd love to know some things that you guys would like to see next, so if you would drop a comment below, let us know what you'd want to see next. And again, thank you for watching. Please like and follow.